Hi, I'm Marcus from Floodproof. I'm here today to tell you a little bit more about our Floodfrog door panel. It's a temporary product designed to fit front and back doors to protect your home or even your business against flooding. You use it just when you need it. There's no special tools needed, no special fixings. You don't need a builder to come in. You just pick it up when it starts raining and you're worried about flood risk and got the flood alert coming through. Raining today, so let's go through what makes this panel very special and very different to anything else on the marketplace. Firstly, I'd like to point out that both the panel and the special seal are covered by a current patent application. There are three things to remember about the panel that makes it very, very different to anything else on the marketplace. Firstly, it's a very advanced composite material, so it makes it lightweight, easy to store, easy to carry. It's very strong to resist any impacts. If a log or something came down the flood water, it's going to bounce off that. Secondly, although it comes in standard sizes to suit most popular UK door frames and doorways, it is adjustable with a bar that extends there and pulls the seal across. Very simple to use with thumb screws that locks it into place. Thirdly, perhaps the most important feature, is that in production this seal will be a water swellable seal. It's to our own unique formulations. It's taken us 2 years to develop the seal, and it will start swelling within about 10 to 12 minutes. The seal itself, when it's used, forms a compression seal against the brickwork, so it will mould into any different irregularities. The water swellable part means that if there's a chip out of the brickwork or an uneven seal, the water swellable element seals those gaps within about 10 to 12 minutes. So if this was inside of the property, this is the door frame, you position it, put it into position, pushing down on the handle, you then use the thumb screws. You probably start at the bottom first, just to lock it into position, so just tighten those up, then the top, then the middle. I'm just resting my arm on the top. You don't need to put too much force on it, but it just helps make sure it's secured at the bottom of the panel. The rain's starting to get a bit heavier now, which is a good job we've got this in position. Just check it through again, a couple of turns at the top. A couple of turns at the bottom. That's the panel secured in position. So what we've done now, we've used the thumb screws inside the panel, inside your home, to just very, very quickly, it's taken a minute or so to lock the panel in position. So it's nice and ready for any flood that's going to come up here, and we'll look at that in a moment. The seal itself, here on the dummy seal, this isn't a production seal, this is just a dummy seal to show it in position, but the actual seal will have the same properties. You can see it's moulded into the shape of the brickwork. It's taking up any irregularity in the floor. We're ready and secure. You can still enter and leave the property just by stepping over it.